I'm not gonna lie. Welcome to my YouTube live. Oh. Yeah, I'm just bored. That's the only reason I'm going live right now. But it looks like we might be having some setups developing here. It's like, but which one to go for? NQ or ES? NQ or ES? Pray to real live forever, man. The heck? Get some music going. Just bored right now. I'm gonna drop an Instagram story.
Excuse me? Like,
Shit loud as hell. My gosh, bro. Uh-huh. MCLU. Okay, so it looks like oil's contracts are changing. That's alright, I don't need those old drawings anyway. But yeah, oil's contracts just rolled over. Gold is dumping like a motherfucker right now. So bearish on gold, it looks like. Gold is breaking lows. Finally broke out of this little area of consolidation here. Shit was ugly. I'm only gonna be here for a short time, not a long time. My bad. I was looking down at my phone, posting an Instagram story. Shit, what's good? Demon Montreal. Okay, that's what's up. I like that name. So thinking it's long. Nah. If you're talking about NQ, nah. I've been looking at NQ, and it looks like it's still shorting from last night. NQ and ES are definitely still shorting from last night. So I actually have some supply setup marked on NQ and ES, but like I said, I'm paper trading today. I already made money on my funded account last night during Asia session, so I'm green for the day today. So I'm not gonna be back on my funded account till Monday. But I'm gonna paper trade, see if we can catch some setups live. But yeah, if I'm looking to sell NQ today for sure this morning. I know I was looking for longs, but it didn't continue up last night like I thought it would. It broke down below, so let me bring it up. Yeah, so it broke down below this support I had. This is how I had everything marked up to, by the way. So if we broke up here and retested, then I would have expected us to go up, but it looks like we're probably gonna tank for at least today for sure. So me personally, if I enter anything, I'll be looking for a short. I'm not gonna lie, ES looks a little cleaner though, because I like this breaker structure right here. You see, we failed to take out these highs too. More than likely, if we can get a tap into the zone, we can probably continue to make a new lower low. But this is all just analysis. I'm just looking, seeing what's happening. And nothing is happening for me. Somebody might have been able to find a setup here. I trade supply and demand, and I don't see any valid supply zones being tapped into right now. Well, the way price is melting, it might not even give me an entry. I need a pullback. So what are you trading today? If you are trading, you trade NQ? I don't think I've met you before. I guess. So dumb. Whatever. blunt up. I'm not gonna lie. There is nothing happening for me here. Get this out the way. Excuse me. And gold looks bearish as well. It's just so much more calm when you know you're not about to lose. He said yes. Yeah, I can just tell my market analysis is getting better. And honestly, I might have to put NQ back on the watch list, like mainly, because it's. And I don't want to just sound like, oh, I'm just like hopping shit, but it's just been performing so well these past couple of days, and then even my price predictions have been pretty decent. Same with gold. You know, I've always had a great connection with gold too. Oil, yeah, but lately, oil just has been moving sporadically. It just, some of my setups won't hold, but it'll still go in my direction. It's just a lot of shit with that. Oil is just, I mean, of course, gold is affected by the economy and like everything that happens in the news and stuff. So, and oil, but oil just moves so, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like, I don't know. Every dog has a day, every market has its day, so it's whatever. But yeah, I do believe NQ is probably going to come down and sweep this liquidity at 28,500. It might blast below that, but it's definitely going to at least come and tap down here and clear this out, I believe. And then could potentially look to shoot up and start a bullish run, maybe to all-time highs. Because I'm just trying to get a better understanding of liquidity and how that shit works. So that's what I'll be looking for here. I think that's gonna transform my, like, I know about liquidity, but actually just really looking for that as a really like main confluence. I think that'll help my win rate for sure, and just me building more confidence to really execute on certain shit and be able to avoid certain shit too. Looks like gold is making its way back up to a POI, point of interest here. We'll see. Maybe we can execute a sell on that. We'll put an alert when it gets close. Let's move it a little closer. I want to know when it's about to dab. If it does. And Q doesn't look like it's giving us anything right now. Unless it wants to come up and tap here and then come down. Or if it comes down here, maybe blast through here. This is the white line I had on that liquidity, 28,500. Oh shit. Shit went out. Maybe I'll spark it up later. Okay. I'm just looking at the Discord too. Not my Discord, but I'm in the Lucid Discord. Oh shit. ES is doing its own thing. And sometimes I like looking at US 30, but I just don't feel like searching it up. And the market about to open in 10 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if when market open, that shit shoot down, spike, wick down here, and then maybe it goes up. I don't know. I don't like predicting the market, so we'll just wait and see what happens, and then go based off of that. You know, I get a habit of trying to predict where shit is trying to go, and we as traders do that obviously because we want to have a bias and want to stick to it. So we just say where we think is gonna go because we're biased. But I gotta wait to see some. It might react down here and go up. It might react down here and then go up. It might just blast through all this shit and keep going down. Like nobody knows until something starts to make sense. But I've seen this pattern on NQ many times. It's a classic W pattern. But like this, damn, this is equal. Holy shit. I mean, you can say this tie was broken, but this, oh, it was swept. This was swept up here. So who knows? See what gold doing. See what gold doing. Oh, come on, man. This is so ugly. Well, this is the 3 minute too, but still, this is still ugly as hell. Damn, the market's so dry. Like, bro, luckily I did catch my setup last night, which was beautiful. This shit just melting. Ain't no entries for me. Now, if I was like on the market at 5 a.m. and seeing this supply setup, bruh, this shit would have been stupid. This tapped in at 5:40 a.m. I was asleep. I've never been on the charts that early, unless I just stayed up from London session, and that's rare. I'm up at 5:40 trading. Okay. That would have been like if I want to just get an aggressive, like be on some slick shit, make like a sell limit order or some shit. Put it above the zone to be on the safe side. Entry right at the zone. I could have just held it right here. Boom. It would have just not been hitting TP. 1 to 8. I had a 1 to 7 yesterday, man, and didn't even get to capture it all because I moved my stop loss into profit. And stopped me out and then went to TP. But I'll be smacking the high RR trades pretty frequently. It's not really hard. It's just about not getting stopped out before you're the move, because I enter on the 5 minute a lot, so there's a lot of wickage, compared to like entering on the 1 hour. So I'll be catching them live too, so it's not like I'm making shit up. Not live on YouTube, but sometimes I'll be like, if you follow me on Instagram, I like trade basically on my stories. Oh shit. That would have been a beautiful setup. Oh my gosh. Could have made so much money right here. Now, even if you wanted to get in on like, some of the people would have found an entry over here for sure. So ES is bullish, or is bearish, so that's what I forget. Thank you. Gonna be definitely be bearish too. But man, ES is dumping, bro. Yeah, those are similar supply setup here, but it did kind of hit the kind of like whipped out outside of the zone a little bit. I probably might have still been safe because I like to put my stop loss like above the zones or in below the zones, like give it a little space because of shit like that. Because of shit like that, I would have been pissed if I was wicked out like that. Jesus. Oh, that's like I would have been crazy. Seen that spike in price, but I thought market open and shit. We still got 4-5 minutes. So we'll see what happens after market open. Probably end the stream at like 8:40. Just want to see what happens after market open. See if I can find a setup. If not, I'm not gonna sit on the computer for. I'm not making any money right now, so I'm not gonna be streaming for no 2 hours or no hour or nothing. Why was that disabled? That shit is crazy. So no wonder. Well, alright, that's cool. No dice on gold here. Looks like it's probably going to just start breaking down, breaking below. Who knows? 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 This looks like a pretty good supply setup for ES though, right here. Because this is the most recent supply zone that also broke this structure right here. So I wouldn't enter aggressive on this. If price did come back up here, I wouldn't enter aggressive because there's still another zone that could potentially be tapped into. So I would rather just be like, okay, let me wait for confirmation entry and then enter. Just in case maybe wants to just break all the way up here and then maybe come back down. Type shit. It might not even do that because the way market about to open in like 20 seconds. But it looks like it's already reacting. So let's go watch NQ though. You know how NQ is. It's sticky, annoying. She's not sweet. They need to do better. Yeah, but with this song, okay. Yeah, bye. I feel like I ain't heard this one before. I guess I remember hearing this before, but like I guess I just don't remember that part. That shit was bad. That's what I thought. Golden ain't on shit. Golden on shit. And this just looks so like it's just gonna make that W, man. But let's see what happens in the zone. Never know, we never know. On paper trading, make sure I'm on my paper trading account, not my funded account. Maybe the music was too loud. Holy fuck. But I ain't vibing with that music though. It's kind of fire. That was fire. I guess I just never paid that close attention to that particular song. So it was bad. Okay, Golden might be making a move to this supply zone too, huh? Everybody trying to set up now. Everybody trying to set up now. Let's see. Let's see who's gonna set up first and the bestest. I don't know. This is too confusing for me. As far as NQ is concerned, I'm not gonna lie, because this looks like it could be. I've seen this pattern so many times. It's W. I've seen it so many times. But if we are trying to maybe sweep liquidity down here, and we could tap into this zone to continue to go lower, or it could just keep going lower now. But who knows? Too many open-ended questions here. So I'm gonna just see what gold doing. Gold is still confused too. Still consolidated. I'm gonna take the break out this freaking zone here. Damn, ES just dumping. Oh, there go NQ dumping. Alright, so let's see what happens. we swept these lows here. We swept this liquidity. Let's see if we're gonna sweep this major sell side liquidity that we have here on the 1 hour. Down here, boom. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stop orders up under here. Because whoever bought up down here, getting cooked if they didn't already liquidate their positions. But they had a good run. Shit. For sure. Oh, what it do, G? It's crazy that every time I'm on Instagram about to do something, I'm looking down at my phone. That's when people pop in, and then I'm feel like I'm ignoring y'all. Then people leave. My bad, bro. Go GC long. Like, look at this. This LQ finna be swept. I was finna tell my partner about it because he trades NQ, but it's whatever, man. Ooh. I think so. This was. I really don't know what this wants to do personally, because I'm trading. I'm paper trading anyway, so I really don't mind jumping in on anything. But at the same time, I'm still trying to maintain my psychology long term. So I'm still looking for a setup for me, but. I don't know what this wants to do. When did this candle start? At 5 a.m.? 7, 8, 9. This candle's finna change. Damn, that happened fast as fuck. So is this the L? Because to me this looks bearish still. See? Damn, I didn't. Let me see here. I don't have nothing. I don't have none of this shit set up. I would probably short here, just based off what I see. I'm gonna yank you real quick. Liquidity swept. What is it gonna do? Is NQ gonna go on a bullish run? Is NQ going on a bullish run here? Oh shit, that shit would have been invalid. Yeah, I don't have a buy set up here for me. So I have no entry into the market right now on gold. Is this music too loud? Hopefully this music not too loud, man. I'm enjoying the music, but I don't want it to be too loud on the microphone. So oil must be dumping. Well, oil's not really dumping, but and whoever did buy gold, shit, they eating right now. Ooh, let me see. What's ES doing? Fuck. Like, That's cool. I know ES and NQ are still different instruments at the same time, so they don't make the exact same moves. Shit, now we're talking. If I want to like draw a demand zone right here, this is valid on 3 minutes too. It's valid on 15. I'd like to see this. I would have liked to have seen this line get broken, but this is still. This looks pretty bullish to me still though, as it is. And this 840, I did say I was going to end the stream around 840, so I'll look for like another 5 minutes to see what's going on. If I don't see anything in the next 4 or 5 minutes, shit, I'm cutting the stream off. See what NQ doing. Oh, NQ is dumping. That candle just getting fatter and fatter, man. Oh man. Looks like I don't know what gold doing. Gold is we'll sit there and we'll see if we can jump in on something. Like I said, the stream probably gonna end in the next couple minutes. Only because I'm not really trading with any money anyway, so. But I do want to see what gold is about to do though. See if we can tap into this demand zone. If we can, I'll jump in on something. But if this should start misbehaving, yeah, I'm gonna just call it. Take it to this resistance. Right here. And this is a 100K demo account, so don't worry about the numbers that you see here. Like if I had $100,000 in a live account, right? Well, technically $108,972. Let's say I had that much money in a live account. I'm just trading on a regular Friday, you know, just chilling in my big ass whatever house, whatever. Yeah, I'm not risking the $1,000, bro. Matter of fact, I'll probably be trading minis. Let's see what this looks like on the minis. I'm not gonna lie. Boom, life is good. Niggas just trading, making hella bands, right? Okay. I got $108,972 in my live account. Let's get it. You know, we're risk takers. I'll probably make the stop loss big as fuck just because. Damn, I don't have my zones drawn over here. Fuck. Let's say I just want to target this high. Fuck it. A little easy 1 to 2 quick money. If we can get some volume and, you know, momentum in our direction, I'll probably risk 10 bands a trade, bro. Yeah, I'll probably be the type 100K. Damn. Nah, I feel like that's a bit of an over leverage, but because if you lose 10 trades, nigga, that's all your capital. But 22 bands in a day though, oof. Damn. On a trade, on a 1 to 2 RR trade at that. I'll probably lower risk. The responsible thing to be, because this is live. There's not no prop firm money. So if this was live, you know, like I said in my manifestation portal here, I'll probably risk like 5 bands, easy. 5 bands is fine. That's 20 trades. To make 12 bands in a day, that's easy. To make 12 bands, yeah. Easy. If I wanted to do something like that, but it looks like gold about to. I don't know what gold gonna do. Gold want to misbehave. There we go. I think NQ might be buying. Who knows? Or it could be trying to just break and retest, or we could tap into the supply zone. There is a supply zone right here too. But I personally think, and I could be wrong, of course, but I personally think NQ just needs to sweep this liquidity where I have this line. Like, look at that. Look at that on the 1 hour. Look at that on the 4 hour. Liquidity swept. And this is like major sell side liquidity here. I think we might be going for longs, potentially maybe reaching new all-time highs. Maybe. I don't know. I don't like price prediction like that, but we'll just see what happens. Let me see what gold doing. Yeah, gold ain't doing nothing. Oil, what oil doing? Oil ain't doing shit. ES, what ES doing? I don't know what the fuck ES doing, but it looks interesting. Yes, sir. But yeah, so it's about to be 8:50. It's 8:50 now. Yeah, yeah. I'm probably gonna end the stream soon. It's like ain't no point in me waiting for something to happen. Like I'm about to make any money today. It doesn't look like anything's happening anyway. I think gold. I mean not gold. NQ. Swept that liquidity we needed this week. I'm gonna keep this support. Well, like I said, this could be resist. This could turn into resistance here. So we'll see. Let's see what gold doing. Gold is taking off. It looks like. Oh, well, I guess since I'm live on my YouTube channel, I'll just bring this up real quick before I log off. Bring up my Lucid dashboard, my P&L. Man, look at all these breached accounts, man. All these breached accounts, man. I need to start making skits. I already made one so far on Instagram, but I want to start making like trading skits. I already have ideas written down. I just need to start executing them. Cause I got one I thought of yesterday. I think it's hella funny. I need to write it down so I don't forget. Okay, Q. Thank you. ES done tapped into this supply zone already. So, are we going to sell off, or are we going to break all of these zones and continue up? We'll find out on the next episode of Trading Wall Z. That was corny, my bad. I mean, it's reacting to the zone here, but it'll react sometimes and still, do some bullshit. So always got to be cautious. Looks like gold is exhausted. Gold is dying down. Shit ain't moved in like the past 2 minutes. Yeah, the way I don't know. I'll leave this limit order on for a little while longer. But I don't like the way price is continuing up. Oil, not doing shit. My bad if I keep rotating screens. I just OCD. Oh, okay. So we're gonna crash through that, motherfucker. Like I said, it looks like we could be we could be longing NQ. Oh, see, it's reacting to this little zone right here. I just didn't draw it out. I didn't feel the need to draw it out. Looks like we're gonna blast through. Oh, okay. Look at ES. Ooh. It said psych. That's the wrong number. Okay, we're blasting through. Yep. So yep. Yeah, we grab liquidity on this 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah. NQ finna take off bullish for like the next week, at least. You heard it here first. Trace the Dominus. I need to hashtag Trace the Dominus. It looks like ES already trying to boom through all the zones. Yeah, so there's no interest for me here. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. There's nothing for me to really look at. Nothing for me to